Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to permanently delete your Xbox account using your phone. It's crucial to understand that this process involves closing your entire Microsoft account, which is a significant and irreversible step after a 60-day waiting period. Before we begin, make sure you have backed up any important data, such as files from OneDrive or important emails, as these will be lost. Before you initiate the deletion, there are a few essential steps to take. First, cancel any active subscriptions like Xbox Game Pass or Microsoft 365. Next, ensure you spend any remaining balance on your Microsoft account or gift cards, as these funds will be forfeited. Finally, remove all payment methods and unlink any connected services to avoid future issues. Now, let's get to the actual process on your phone. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Microsoft account security settings. Once there, look for the section titled Close Your Account. You will then be guided through a series of prompts to verify your identity, which might include entering a code sent to your email or phone number. This step ensures your account's security. After verifying your identity, you will be asked to confirm your decision to close the account. Once confirmed, your Microsoft account, and by extension your Xbox profile, will enter a 60-day waiting period. During these 60 days, the account is marked for closure, but is not yet permanently deleted. You have the option to reactivate it within this window if you change your mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.